So the other thing is that we run into too is with the manifold absolute pressure sensor and people changing this as well. We've already got a program in there that's stock. This is for the turbo, line 30 turbo, this particular program, and it's got the turbo boost retard in there. So just your naturally aspirated cars, this is going to be a flat line. So sometimes people will say, okay, put this on a turbo and something's not right. Well, did you put the boost retard in? Oh, okay. So we have this program available for you that you can just email to the guy and install it in there. And if you look at this, you're going to see, wow, -10, that's a lot. The reason is because we want to be cautious with the car. So we're at -10 degrees retard. We're leaving a lot of power on this table, but we're absolutely certain under no conditions there's going to be any damage to the motor. So this is where you have to be cognizant of your discussion with the customer, because they're going to say, well, what number should I put in there? Like, I don't know. It's up to you. Well, I don't know. Well, what did you do to the motor? Well, we did cam, pistons, all these other things to it. Well, you have to take that into consideration. That's why we have the tune function, so that you can do that. Whatever you do, don't ever tell a customer this is the program that you want, because you can't know that. Because even if you put the stock timing in there that's in the manual, that was for fuels that don't exist anymore. So really you need to retune it, if nothing else, just for the fuel.